Put you down now, all right? Boop. Hey everybody, that was Pancake, and I'm SBMITCH. Welcome to the channel. Here's my handle. You can follow me on Twitter or Instagram. And also I have a website called ransomnotesneakers.com. Stuff from this box and things from other boxes are there for sale right now. You can check that out if you want. Hi pals! Giveaway ends tonight. If you don't know what's going on, might just be too late. Giveaway ends tonight at midnight. I'm gonna be picking the winner tomorrow, so that'll be fun. Today's video though, it's Thursday, close enough to Friday, Beater Box Day. This Beater Box comes to us from Sole Supremacy, a shop in the Bay Area of California that has a closed membership-only Beater Box program. Really good site, check them out, solesupremacy.com. This box was, how much was it? $600. This box was $600 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois. We don't put ketchup on hot dogs. For a grand total of $640. These boxes are priced under market, so there's a really good opportunity to make some money. Follow along with clearance. It'll be letting you know how much each shoe is worth based on data on the secondary marketplace. And then at the end, we're gonna break it down to show you how much I paid versus how much the entire box is worth. So let's open this one and hope that it's better than the last one. Ugh. The last one was a $975 box and it was bad. You can check it out if you want. It's a really dumb video, but the box itself is terrible. Ugh. All right, we're open, I think. Ooh, already a good sign. See some Jordan 1 boxes, but there are 2 loose shoes. Let's grab them out. This first one is a size, looks like a size 13. Yep, size 13. This is an Air Foamposite 1. This is the Weatherman Foamposite. These used to grab a pretty penny, like 300 plus. Definitely not the case now, but you can see why it's called Weatherman. It's got this kind of like Doppler radar effect all over the upper, which is pretty cool. This pair in particular looks like they're in good shape. A little bit of discoloration on the outsole, which is, you know, expected because it's a clear outsole. Well, clearish, it's like blue, but it doesn't look like there's any major scratches or anything, or scuffs, or, yeah, these are in pretty awesome shape. Just need a good cleanup. So here's your first shoe out. It's a size big old 13 Weatherman Foamposite 1s. Another loose shoe in here, I think. Yeah, it's pretty buried. Looks like a grade school shoe. This is a lightly worn pair. This is an Air Jordan 7. These are the Sport Blue 7s? Yeah, Sport Blue, I'm pretty sure. In a size, it's grade school. This is a size 6 youth. Cool, more 6 youth to add to my inventory. These are super lightly worn. I mean, there's just a little bit of wear on the bottoms. Not much discoloration. They just need a really good cleanup. It's a size 6 youth. Back to school's in a couple months. It might be worth holding on to get like a couple extra bucks out of here, but no immediate flip value on these. So here's your second shoe out, a 6 youth Sport Blue 7. Trying to get out, Pancake? You can hang out here if you want to also, I don't care. There are Air Jordan 1 boxes, so I'm gonna grab those first. This first one is an Air Jordan 1 in a size 11.5. This is a very lightly worn pair of an Air Jordan 1 in the Royal Flyknit colorway. These are super lightly worn. I mean, you can see bottoms are super clean. Flyknit 1s have the entire interior liner is leather. These things are so frickin' hard to get on and off, but they're actually pretty clean. I don't mind them. I don't have a pair myself because the upper is really thin and I can't pull that off, but not a bad shoe. Probably one of the better looking colorways of all the Flyknit 1s. Shadows are probably up there for me, but nice shoe. So there it is, size 11.5 with an Air Jordan 1 Royal Flyknit. Another one, and I can tell which one it is kind of already by looking at it. This is one of the Gatorade Air Jordan 1s. It's a size 11.5 as well. Probably came from the same seller. This is the lime colorway. These are worn, but they're in really good shape. God, this is megawatt, holy cow. A little bit of wear on the bottoms, as you can tell. Not much toe box creasing though. These are in really good shape. The leather is really soft. I mean, you can see the insole, not much wear. The 11.5 sticker is still there too. It has the tag. The only thing that's a bummer is there's no Gatorade towel with it, which is okay. These came out last year, I think, to celebrate the Be Like Mike Gatorade campaign from the 90s or something like that. But you know, it came out in these like 4 solid colorways. This was probably one of the more hyped ones, but I don't know. They had good value when they came out. Now, probably not so much, but I'm kind of impressed by the quality on these. So size 11.5, Gatorade lime green 1s. See, this box is fun. I like this one already. So we've got an older Jordan box, base box coming at you. This is a size 10 Air Jordan Retro 13 Ooh, these are the Wheat 13s. These are pretty old. These are from, 2004, 2005. These are in really good shape for such an old shoe too, and a really, really nice fall colorway. You can see the bottoms are very, very lightly worn, which is really cool, but typical Air Jordan 13, the cover is still on the hologram there, which is really nice. Leather upper with some suede on the side paneling and the midsole with the white pods. Outsole, again, really, really clean, so can't really complain about this pair. This is a really nice pair. These probably get a really, really good penny because I don't think they've retroed these in a really long time. So size 10 is an okay size. Jordan 13 Wheat from 2004 or 2005, something like that. All Jordans in here, that's pretty awesome, except for those foam posits, obviously. This is another Jordan 6 Youth. Jordan 11 Retro GS. Oh, okay, this ain't bad, actually. Ain't. This is a pair of Concords from 2011. In 2011, the Concord 11 was released in full family sizing, and this is one of the GS pairs. You can see the 23 on the back. Not much patent leather creasing on the toe box, which is really nice. Just a little bit of outsole discoloration, which is normal because it's an 8-year-old shoe, but super, super iconic Jordan. They re-released in 2018. Basically everybody that wanted a pair got a pair. These are still really nice. 6 Youth, easy 9 out of 10 condition. Just need a good cleanup. Of a 6 Youth Air Jordan Concord 11 from 2011. 3 more in here. This here is an Air Jordan 3 Retro OG in a size 10.5. Black cement 3s. This is the recent release. Black cement 3 with a Nike Air on the heel tab. Really, really nice condition. The toe box is in great shape. A little bit of outsole wear, easily cleaned up. No cracking on the midsole, which is really, really awesome. I'd be very surprised if there was cracking on the midsole, but it happens with 3s and 4s all the time. But really nice pair. Comes with the Nike Air tag. I don't see the ball bearing chain anywhere though, but super clean. Just need to be freshened up a little bit and they'll be good to go. Size 10.5. Black cement 3s. Nice. Probably my favorite Air Jordan colorway of all time. Got another 10.5. This is an Air Jordan 11 Retro. You can probably tell by the box what it is already. I just got to make sure if it's dead stock or used. This is a worn pair. Just need to be cleaned up. Concord 11s from last year in a size 10.5. You can tell, I'm not going to pull out the other one, but patent leather on these is much, much higher. More predominant on the 2018 release. 45 on the heel. Just a little bit of wear on the bottoms. Just need to be cleaned up. As I said, these released in 2018, massive, massive production. So there were some quality issues. I don't know if it's gonna pick it up, but there are some little bumpies all over the midsole. Still an awesome pair though. Again, it's an iconic Jordan, and basically everyone that wanted a pair has a pair, I would assume. So these will be for sale. They have the shoe trees, not much insole wear, size 10.5. Concord 11s. And we got one more. It is a Jordan 1. It's a size 11.5. Ooh. This is a retro colorway of one of the original 85 Air Jordans. This is the metallic navy colorway. I do believe this is the 2016 release. I think this is the only retro of the navy that they ever made. When they did the Do the Right Thing pack in the late 2000s, it didn't include this colorway. It included the red and the other one. But this is a really, really super clean pair. These are in good shape. Not a lot of heel drag. All the stars are still there. A little bit of wear on the bottoms. Just a simple, classic Jordan colorway in really good shape. Size 11.5. Solid 8 out of 10 condition. Can't really complain. Comes with the original box. No secondary laces though, so that's kind of a bummer, but 11.5. Metallic navy Jordan 1s from 2016 is your last shoe out. And that is a $600 Sole Supremacy beater box in sizes that are wearable. So let's go ahead and give it a letter grade. Time to give this box a grade, because apparently I'm a teacher on YouTube. We get that grade through 3 categories: condition, sizes, and value. Let's do condition first. There are
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 pairs of shoes in this $600 Sole Supremacy beater box, and none of them are dead stock. 2 of them don't have boxes. Condition on this box we'll say is C-. Sizes all over the place. We have 13, 6 Youth, 10, 6 Youth again, 10.5, 11.5, 11.5, 10.5, and 11.5. Sizes on this box will say about a B-. Value. Jordans. They're all Jordans. They're not weird like 9s, 10s, or 14s or anything. Pretty good value, I think. Again, I don't check until after the video, but my guess for value, I gotta say a pretty solid A. So with the grade of C- for condition, that's what I said, right? I don't even remember. The grade of B- for sizes, and the grade of A for value. It's hard not saying hype/value anymore. This $600 Sole Supremacy beater box gets a letter grade of B+. Yeah, B+ is good with me. So I gave this box a grade of B+. Am I right? Am I wrong? Probably wrong, because that's my thing. But let's look into it. This is a really good box to rebound on, I think. This is my favorite range. I don't like going after those boxes above $900 because when I do, I get 9 grade school pairs in the box. But this box is much better. If you're interested in any of these shoes, they will be on my website tomorrow at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that website is ransomnotesneakers.com. You can check that out. Remember, giveaway ends tonight. Check out my last 2 videos if you want to enter. I'm not going to go through that whole thing again, but the winner will be drawn tomorrow and contacted tomorrow. So that'll be great. Appreciate your time. If you enjoy what's going on here and you don't subscribe, go ahead and do that. You can like or dislike the video. That's your 2 options. Do whatever one makes you feel good. And I will see you soon. Till next time, take care of each other and remember to treat people the way that you want to be treated. Golden rule. Excellent rule. Boo! Have a good weekend. Bye!